Hey guys, what's up? Goofy Bastard here. So today, New Year's Eve, another New Year's Eve video. I am here with my man, Mr. Walt in PA. Now, him and I have been riding for the last almost 4 years now. And the first time we met was actually in this Wawa. You know, you're from PA, you gotta meet at a Wawa. So we're actually gonna recreate or redo the ride we did the first time we met. Hopefully all the roads will still be open. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take a ride, me and Walt, and we're going to come along. All right?
Hold on. I'm going to jump in here. A little behind the scenes tip, right? So the first time I meet him, I'm telling my wife, oh, I'm going to go meet this guy I met on the internet. What is the first thing she tells me? Are you going to bring your gun? She said, do you even know his name? So he just calls himself Goofy Bastard. Oh, you should probably take your gun.
Oh, I have my gun today too, and I had my gun that day as well, so it's all good. So, all right, so we're going to hit the road, and we're going to get out here and ride on New Year's Eve. All right, see you in a bit. So the first time me and Walt rode together, I did not have a Senna. He had bought one, but I didn't have one yet. So we weren't able to communicate other than at stoplights or hand language and shit like that, hand signals and stuff like that. So it is kind of nice to be able to communicate with him and the other guys that we ride with through the Sennas. Oh, look, we got another biker bro up here. What's up there, biker bro? So, yeah, it's nice to be able to have that communication. It's a lot better than hand signals. People don't see them. Some people don't understand them. Some people don't know what they are, what they mean. And last time we did this, there wasn't this much traffic. Just saying. Go ahead, come on. So, I don't know if Walt's going to come through on the video or not. Now everybody knows I got to do this. gonna pull into where the chapel is up here. To end the video out. All right, guys, so we're back off the bikes again. Me and Walt's back there. Sammy's right there. So that was basically our ride. We actually reversed it a little bit just because of the traffic that was out there, so we didn't want to deal with the traffic. So, yeah, that's what we did. So, I'm going to end this video right here, and we're in beautiful Valley Forge Park. Beautiful here. I love coming here to ride. So, I'm going to end this video here. Y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. And we're going to peace. Happy New Year's.